Tell me a little bit about how you approach training in terms of customization.
So on customization, first thing is you don't know how to customize a program until you know what the dealer is all about. You know, what's their culture, what's the skill set level of each of their staff members, you know, what's the tenure in the store,
Right.
what's their experience. You have to learn that first. So we try to gather all that knowledge and really build out a program based on that. Now, what we do is we take it actually a step further. Instead of saying, hey, we're going to come in and train your people, we actually build out a training curriculum. It's a full calendar saying, hey, here's what we're going to do in this store, here's what we're going to do in this store, and you can see a step-by-step progression of how we're actually going to get to the end goal of increasing PVR, increasing products per deal, increasing company culture, and we actually build a roadmap and a plan to get there versus coming into the store winging it and doing coffee call visits. We actually have a plan that we're going to work and really a mission that we're trying to accomplish. And I think that's all about. You got to plan your work and work your plan.